What's up guys, good afternoon, welcome back to the channel. Today is install day, thanks to our friends over at Paragon Performance. I'm just installing their sticker right now, and we'll go ahead and open up this box. Perfect, guys, the newest sponsor to the channel, Paragon Performance. All right, let's see what we got in the box. I'm sure you guys already saw the thumbnail and the title, but Paragon Performance sent us over these side mirrors for the car. These side mirrors do a couple things for us. Check these out. Oh, okay, so we got R for, I guess, right, and L for left. Let's see what else we got in the kit. Looks like we got some wiring harnesses and some connectors as well. Let's pull one of these out and take a look. I got the blue tinted ones. They also come in chrome and amber. Woo! Look at that. That is super clean. These things do a lot more than just change the color. Let's go ahead and pull the car out so I can show you guys what it does. So let's start her up. Up here a little bit. I'm gonna put the X1 basically where my blind spot would be. And that's about right there. All right guys, so here's the situation. I'm inside the C8. I've got the X1 parked where my blind spot would normally be. If you guys look at it from this direction, you guys can't see anything right there. It's the worst blind spot ever. So I've got the camera at eye level. I'm gonna show you guys what I see looking into the original mirrors. You can see just the side of the C8 and then just the front left headlight of the X1. Now I'm gonna put our mirror that we got from Paragon Performance up next to it in front of it. With the same angle looking at just the side of the C8, you can see pretty much the entire BMW. Look at that. In the bottom right of the frame, you can see the boomerang. So we're gonna line this up with that, and look at that. So you can see the boomerang, you see so much more of that X1. Here you can only see the headlight. How crazy is that? Super excited for these mirrors. If you guys are looking to get a set of these mirrors for yourself, just head over to paragonperf.com. Just click on C8. They have everything for the C8. Scroll down here to exterior, click on the exterior tab and click on mirrors. Then you'll see the Paragon Performance C8 wide angle mirrors with turn signals. They come in a couple different colors. You've got chrome, blue, and gold. Like I said earlier, not only are they tinted and give you a wider field of view, but they also have blind spot detection if you have it on your car. The mirrors have defrosters on them, which I don't believe our cars have. They also have an integrated LED turn signal, which ours do not have. They come in blue and amber coating to reduce the glare, and they're easy to install. If you guys don't like my video, they've got an install video on their website. It's really detailed, so that could help you out as well. After you guys choose your mirror color, go ahead and add it to your cart. The guys over at Paragon Performance provided me with a promo code to give to you guys. It's RWDC8MIRROR for mirror. Go ahead and add that there and apply it. Should give you guys 5% off of your mirrors. Brings it down to $144.39. And since the order is over $99, you guys will get free shipping in 48 states. So we get to actually kill two birds with one stone today because I've been meaning to get these mirror caps off to go ahead and wrap those black. Well, now today we're gonna be taking this front mirror off and this mirror cap off to do some wiring. So we'll be able to wrap that mirror cap as well. Now the first step to doing this, they want you to go ahead and push the mirror in and then down so it can go ahead and reveal this big opening right here. This is where we're gonna start sticking our screwdriver in order to unclip some clips. But before we do that, they want us to go ahead and protect the edge here. They want us to use painter's tape or some masking tape. However, I don't have any, but I do have some wrap. So, should work just as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off a few pieces here. It's not gonna look pretty by any means, but let's see here. Just go ahead and slide that in there, wrap it around. Go, it should work. Then get another second piece, and I'm just gonna slide it in the side there. That should be enough protection. So we got it all wrapped around the edges there. Now we just need a screwdriver. I'm gonna check out the back of my mirror, the new mirror. I'm gonna see how these clips actually work. Looks like there are two clips on each portion. So we got 1, 2, 3, looks like 4 clips total, possibly. But yeah, it looks like these go out, so there's 1, 2 outs for every clip. All right, I'm gonna try to show you guys the best I can, but looks like you pop that one off of there. Ooh, that one came off. See why we need to have the masking tape on the edge so we don't damage the mirror itself. But yeah, there's another clip there. Definitely gonna need 2 hands for this. All right, so once you get these 2 off, their instructions show that you gotta get this top one off. So that's off now. And then there should be one over to, oh, that one popped off, all right. And then there should be one here at the bottom. I see it right there. See if I can. There goes that one. and the bottom other one, and then that one. Boom, that wasn't too bad at all. Once you get a couple of the clips out, the other ones kind of just move around and just pop off. Cool, that didn't take nearly as long as I thought. All right, so we got 2 connectors over here. I'm gonna pop those off. 1, come on. What the heck? 1, 2, okay, they both popped off, there we go. And then we got a connector on this side. Oh, everybody's connected. Let's go ahead and pull this connector off. There is no press portion, so I guess you just separate the two. Man, this thing is on, there we go. All right, it was just a little tight. All right, we got our old mirror off. Boom, not bad at all. No broken clips, too easy. All right, I'm gonna pull off all of this wrap material. All right, so the next thing we have to do is get this mirror cap off because we have to wire in the turn signals that are on the new mirror. In order to get this off, there are 2 clips on the inside. We gotta pop those out. Try another tool here. Let's see how that works much better. Uh-oh, let's see what happened there. Okay, so that's good. So it goes up. So you kind of push it in and then up. Gotta get this guy off of there, and then this one should be able to go too. All right, so the next step, after you get the 2 clips off of the front to where you can pull this up just a little bit, you wanna go ahead and get your pry tool in there, and you wanna start working it around, and you should hear it pop off just like that, and then you're supposed to turn it this way, and it comes right off. All right, so there is no adhesive. There's just 1 hook there, 3 clips. So there's clips on the actual mirror side. There's 1, 2, and then you got 1 clip on your side, which is the bottom one. All right, so let's take a closer look at our mirror assembly here. So unfortunately, it looks like I did break a couple of the clips. There's 1 clip here, 1 clip up there. There is 1 clip on the bottom, which is right there, that goes into this hole. I only have this clip as a good clip. I broke that one, and I broke this one on this side, right there. So that sucks. We only got 1 surviving clip and this little thing that something goes into to hold it in place. All right, so that bottom clip right there, you can actually get to it from the front. It's in this tiny little hole back there. Yeah, see that little thing of light right there? That's where you can send your screwdriver through and try to hit this little tab. But let's see if this thing will even go back on now that I've damaged this clip and that clip. This clip's still good. Oh, there we go. All right, so you just kind of pop it in there. It comes around the side and pops onto here. So there's no clip there anymore, so that doesn't pop on. But this 1 clip here, that little hook thing on this side, is holding this thing on pretty good. It's not completely destroyed. All right, so this is salvageable. I'm gonna go ahead and get this wrap off, and then we're gonna go ahead and wrap it black. And leave that out in the sun for a little bit. All right, so let's go ahead and wire in our mirror here. It's gonna go in the same way. Is this the right? I think I got the wrong one. Make sure you get the right mirror. All right, we got the right mirror now. We got the blind spot monitoring in the top left. Cool. All right, so you see these wires here? These are some new wires. These are gonna be for the turn signal. You guys remember we have that wiring kit. Comes with a few clips there and some wires. All right, so we've got a striped wire and a solid black wire. The striped wire goes to the striped wire, the solid goes to the solid. So stripe to stripe, slide this thing over, protect it, and then we'll go solid to solid. All right, and then we'll slide the protector over it. All right, now we need to wire in this connector to this guy. I think it only goes on 1 way, so you can't mess that up. Cool. And then we got these guys. So these don't matter which one they go in according to the website. So you can just pop those on however. Okay guys, so this wire right here, they want you to actually route it on the inside where you see the other wire going through. So we're gonna route this guy through here. This is the back side. We're gonna pull the wire through here. So I'm routing this wire down here. This wire is going up onto the side. This one's gonna go over on the left side. Just sliding some of these wires through the back here so they don't get in the way. Side onto the bottom. All right, so let's go ahead and put this bad boy on. Oh, it snaps on super easy. That was cake. Next step is we have to wire in the turn signal that's integrated into the mirror. So we need to unplug our turn signal out of here. That came out really easy. And then we're just going to tap into these wires using these connectors. All right, we're gonna start by taking off some of this electrical tape. Gonna go ahead and cut into it. Try not to cut your wires because that would suck. All right, so we got these exposed now. We can go ahead and tap into them using the supplied connectors. All right, so again, just like earlier, solid's gonna go to solid and stripe's gonna go to stripe. You're not gonna need to use all of this wire, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut some off of here. I love these type of connectors because they're so easy to use. Striped one, we're gonna pop it in the side there. And then the other striped one only goes in one way, so it's gonna go in this way. We did grab the striped one, right? Yep. All right, so now that you have both in there, you're gonna take your pliers, you're gonna squeeze down on the little metal clip there, and basically that just kind of shoves itself through both sets of wires and connects them. Go ahead and close that up and repeat with the solid wire. All right, so same thing. Slide the wire you're tapping into on the side there. The other wire goes through the bottom. Use your pliers and squeeze. Fold over the cover. Bada bing, bada boom, you're done. Then just make sure to plug back in your turn signal into the mirror. And then before we go and actually put the mirror cap back on, I'm just gonna test those out and make sure the turn signal works. Let's see if the mirror cap is ready to be unwrapped. Could probably use a little more heat. All right, got the mirror cap all unwrapped. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this off camera. If you guys wanna see these get wrapped, I have a whole series of wrap videos that I did on the C8 about a couple months ago, back in Christmas time. So you guys can go check all those out. All right, let's jump inside the vet and see if we still have side mirrors that work. Turn her on. Well, good news is the blind spot monitoring system's working. I think it's picking up, no, never mind, it's gone now. It's picking up something. All right, guys, so right off the bat, you can tell that's the original mirror. It's just plain. This mirror over here is the blue tinted. That already looks way better. Then, geez, the angle of the mirror, that is the craziest part. Okay, so here, it's kind of hard to compare, but basically you just see the hip and the wall. That's all you can really see. This side over here, you can see the entire side of the car and then some more. You can see so much more. You see all the way over to where that toolbox is. That's crazy. Toolbox. Toolbox, way back there. That's nuts. That looks so much better. And then on top of that, you have the blind spot monitoring, you have the defrost, which our mirrors don't come with, and then you get a turn signal too. Too cool. Ours don't have that. Well, guys, I am super happy with it. I can't wait to get the other one on so we go for a drive and see how much of a difference it really makes. But geez, I can already see there. We can see so much more now. Let's see if I can adjust. Let's go and adjust it. Hey, the motor still works. Look at that, holy cow. All right, guys, we've got our black wrapped mirror cover. Very poorly wrapped, might I add. But it's black now, so let's go ahead and get this thing on here. We're going to go into this corner over here first. Get her popped in there, and then we're gonna slide her around and pop her in. Cool. There we go. There she popped in there. Remember, we only have 1 and 2 clips. The other 2 are broken. But there we go. Mirror is on. Mirror cap is on. Let me go and open the garage here so we can get a look at both. All right, so on the right side, we got that black mirror cap. On the left side, we have the green one. Which one do you guys like better? You guys like the black or green? I think the black's gonna look great with the stripe. This looks so much better, actually. Looks so much more aggressive. But we've got our wrap done. We've got our mirror on. The blue tinted wide angle mirror. Wow, you can see even so much just right here. Well, there you guys go. I'm not gonna bore y'all with the other side. It's gonna be basically the same exact thing. I'm gonna try not to break those clips on that mirror cap. That's the hardest part, I say, about this whole mod, is just getting that mirror cap off without breaking those 2 clips. I'm gonna try going through that little bottom hole I showed you guys for that 3rd clip. The top 2 I should have never broke in the first place. They're so easy to get to. But I love this. I love the mirror, I love the tint, I love the angle, I love how much more you can see. If you guys want your mirrors, remember head over to paragonperf.com, use the promo code RWDC8 mirror, M-I-R-R-O-R. That'll get you guys 5% off your mirrors. Guys, trust me, you will love them. It gives you such a better field of view. You can see so much more. It's gonna be way safer. Maybe we can start getting out to the medium and making those left-hand turns. I'll have to go out for a drive and do a review on it one of these days for you guys. But that's gonna do it for the end of the video, guys. As always, thanks for watching, thanks for hanging out. We'll see you guys next video. Later.